Hi guys, good afternoon or good evening. Right now it's about 7 or 12 minutes past 7 p.m. and today is 9th of June 2021. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain and I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Master Trade. So after a long time, I thought I'll make a video and we'll talk and of course, I keep conducting these live webinars and tomorrow again, I'm going to be conducting a live trading session. So those who are new can definitely join me and actually, you know, really, understand how I do my trading. So, with this information about me, and if you're not present on my Telegram channel, I'll take you to my Telegram channel. uh, be present there and join me in the live trading session. So this is my Telegram channel, which have about 212,000 members, and you can get the whole information here. Like today's live trades that I've given over here in this particular channel were, I think, HPCL, in Petro, and granules. These were the two live trades that I had given, and some trades I given the morning, early morning, right after the pre-market is closed, and that's when I give my trades. So today morning I have given some trades, and those trades are valid for the next few days. So let me just quickly run through with you the trades that we talked about today were GAIL, McDowell, Naveen Fluorine, Glenmark, and Deepak NTR, Bharat Forge, Cipla. So Cipla made somewhere around 973 or something. Bharat Forge made something about 770, and I think few of them didn't even cross the levels that were given. And then I give you, like a few positional trades, like LTTS I had given at about 2670. Today it went above 2850. And Divis also I had given in the morning, I think today itself or yesterday, above 4260, it made a high of 4290. So anyway, just quick, you can check granules I have given 337.5, it made a high of 341. And same goes here, in the other trade that I had given in Petro, 307, I think it made a high of 309 or something. And right after that, market started falling down. So I also traded, and initially I was in simultaneously I had two positions. One was in heavy loss, but other one just got recovered and gave me good profit. So I had these call options of TVS Motors, which I've been holding for the last 2 days. But I was just waiting in case Nifty starts falling down, I'll exit my position. And immediately I recovered this loss because the idea was to, I didn't want to hold it. Even if you see here later on, it further went down, right? It further went down, even the Grasim call that I had also further went down. So I saved about 64,000 rupees and created something more. So overall, my profits, like in today's day were about 3,46,000. But that's this. Right now, I want to tell you how I did this Nifty trade, right? So very simple trade. This is how Nifty looks like, right? It was in a channel, right? It was in a channel for a long time, like starting from about 12th of May, the entire May and part of June. This was in channel. Now let's go down to the shorter time frame and see here. This is today, right? This is today. This is how it behaved today, right? So the this was at the lower band of the channel, right? Like the opening happened at the lower band of the channel, right? So these support and resistances, whether they are in a channel or they are in a horizontal, they actually have a huge role to play, right? So I marked two supports, right? I thought if these supports are going to be broken, I will be definitely shorting. So this is my first level where I shorted first time, and then the second level was at this place. I added more quantity at this place. When this level was broken, I added some more quantity, right? And that's how I made that money. So anyway, today, I have some stocks for you people, and hoping that you will make good money tomorrow. And I'm eternal bullish person, right? My only endeavor is to find out stocks which can give movement in the upward direction. I really like to earlier, like I don't know whether there is something has happened over a last 1.5 years. I've somehow turned bullish. Like although I may see the bearish trades, but I'll be very scared to take them. And earlier, I was an expert of bearish trades, but nowadays I'm just on a bull run, and I only like to do bullish trades. So I have 4 trades that I filtered out for you. The first one is Naukri. It's looking very, very good to me. Info Edge. So this is a place where I would like to enter 4720, and it's actually bottomed out. Like I was earlier believing that this stock is going to go up, but and if you just see here, like it's making a skewed double bottom, right? I really actually don't like these cup and handle and double bottom, etc. But what I really feel from here, we should read the price. Like it made a bottom, then bounced from here. Again, the bottom that was made was little higher, and after that it's going up. Now, even in the falling market today, if you notice, the stock didn't fall much, right? Rather, it recovered. If I go back to the little shorter time frame, you'll see that it fell when the Nifty fell and immediately bounced back, right? Just have a clear look, right? So that shows the strength of the stock. And that tells me that this stock has good plans to move up tomorrow. So I am going to definitely be buying. I've been telling since yesterday that IT sector is going to lead the bull run in the market right now, right? If you read my yesterday's comment before market started, I said that bull run is going to come from the IT sector, right? Like Wipro, Tech, Mindtree, TCS, Naukri, even Coforge could have been added up over here. So Naukri is looking very, very good to me, and 4,713. And if you want, if you're interested, I can tell you, you can even buy 4,800 call, right? Only condition is it has to go above 4720. So that's one trade on my radar. The next trade that I have on my radar is Lal Path Lab, right? This is the next trade that I have on my radar, and it looks pretty promising to me. And the reason is, if you just see on a little bigger time frame, the price is in a channel, right? Triangular wedge. The price is shifting slowly, gradually in the upward direction. Even today, if you notice, even today, there is price rejection. There are these dojis formed, and there is price rejection from the lower levels. So I'm expecting a breakout in the stock above 3035. I have already given it on my channel, but again, I'm endorsing that this looks very, very good to me. For a target of, let me just check it, my other data points, and I'll tell you what all I'll be needing. Just a sec. So the target is going to be it's going to be at least, from, if it is crossing 3000, right? I'm expecting at least, like it's going to be a very bold target, but still I will expect at least 300 points from here, because this is going to be crossing the lifetime, and when the stock crosses lifetime, I expect at least a 10% move, right? So you may be holding it for some time, and oh no, it's not the lifetime high, right? Sorry. I just didn't see the past picture. So here it's the target could be, up to 3,400, right? Those could be the target. But when I say targets, it doesn't mean tomorrow or next day or next few days. It could be in a month's time, month and a half time, because these are all, positional trades, and these are FNOs, right? So FNOs sometimes give good breakouts, sometimes they give very, very small breakout. The next stock that I have on my radar is Apollo Hospital. Oh, Apollo Tires, sorry, Apollo Tires. So this is how Apollo Tires look, like almost stagnant at the peak, right? Above 241.5, we can definitely expect some kind of a breakout, right? Only condition, it has to go above this place. It has to go above this place, right? 241. I've already given on this date, like I have given a buy on Apollo Tire right above 235. I have given a buy, but again a fresh buy is appearing, and a lot of data points I check, and with that, it's just not the technical, right? I don't believe in the technicals. First I check my data points and then I check my graph, like which helps me, the stock which helps me in connecting all the dots. That's the one I go for. So this is, Apollo Tires. It's looking pretty good to me, and we can buy it above 241.5 or 242. And if you want, you can. And what targets could be expected? For sure, one can expect in 1.5 months a target till this point, right? 261 or 260 is what is in my mind for this particular stock. And the last stock that I have in my radar is Balakrishna Industries, right? It looks very promising. Even in spite of today's fall, massive fall, the stock has refused to go down, right? That's a very strong indication. I personally feel this is a very strong indication. And as an effect, I believe the stock plans to go up, and the other data points put together are telling me that stock has good capacity to move in the upward direction. So we're going to be creating our entry above 22875. Our target could be again 10%, so roughly about 2400 is 2400, 2500 is going to be a very reasonable target, right? I don't want to deviate from that. I think 2500 is going to be a very good target. So but time period could be again, a little longer, right? It may cover up this distance in 1.5, 2 days, but it may take a little longer. Like here the consolidation is on, but the price is shifting in the upward direction. So before I close, I have a one cash stock for you guys. So 𝐿earn, right? 𝐿earn is a stock on my radar, which I would like to give. What happened? This is 𝐿earn. No, not this one. Not 𝐿earn. Here is 𝐿earn, right? This is a stock. This is a stock that I'm finding good, right? At the, which one was that? That was at 10 rupees or something. Z, is there any other stock of Z? 𝐿earn, 𝐿earn Entertainment, 𝐿earn, 𝐿earn, 𝐿. Let me have a look at this. Okay, let me just see here if I could find that stock, because that was a stock. Z Media, sorry, oh God, Z Media, right? Z Media is a stock, is the one I'm really liking. You can keep it on your radar, Z Media. So we will be buying it above 10.10, right? This is where we'll be buying. Our stop loss is going to about 9, right? Very tiny stop loss. 1 point stop loss, and target could be, like 10.75. And if it crosses 10.75, then 11.5 and 12, right? These are going to be my targets, right? So four of them are from futures, and one, this stock, which tiny stock, anybody can buy just for an experiment. If you're a student, if you're a person who's just learning in the stock market, go for this, and even for 100 rupees you'll be able to buy 10 stocks. So these were my 5 stocks. So the first one, once again, this is Z Media is a cash stock, right? Just hold it in your portfolio for some time. I told you about Naukri, that looks good to me, right? InfoEdge. Then I have told you about Lalpath Lab, Balakrishna, and Apollo Tires. So I'll be posting all my trades somewhere around 9:15, 9:10 or so on my channel. You can be here and get the stop losses and the targets, etc. So with this, I'm signing off, and take care, guys. Making money is not very difficult, right? You just need to have little wisdom, little ability to take decisions, and you'll be absolutely fine. You'll be able to trade, you'll be able to make money. What matters is that you make consistent money, right? So even see here in my positional trading, I am not the one who will exit my trades fast, right? These are the trades I would just not exit so quickly, because I believe, like your portfolio should not move with such kind of falls, right? That is a good portfolio. So even I'm holding the other portfolio where I have some, I keep showing you people, right? The same portfolio I'm talking about. So I'm still, I will not exit. I will definitely not exit because that's not my style. So from 65, it has come down to 45, but I'm okay because these are the stocks I'm not going to exit. I'm holding. I'm holding with a good target, and I'm sure in a day or two they will quickly bounce back. So with this, I'm signing off. All the best, and if you want to trade along with me, if you want to be in sync with what I'm doing the entire day, be present on my Telegram channel. You'll get best of stocks, you'll get the best of intraday stock. What else you'll trade with me, right? No one does that in the live market. I will trade with you. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the live market, right? In the live market at about 10 or 10:30, roughly around that time we will have the live trading. You will see how the stocks we select give a good movement, right? So a lot of data points that we touch. See here, come join this link. That's it for today. Take care. Bye bye. See you.